Hey guys, I'm still here and I'm here to show you how to recover your Instagram account. In the other video tutorial I show you how to delete the Instagram account, but now I will show you how to recover it back before the final deletion date. So follow me on this video right now. Go back here on Instagram, then go here at the top corner, click here at the top, and then you will see here in the bottom add account, and then click here log into existing account. You will see here is my account that I deleted. Just click login, and then you will see this message: want to keep using this account. You request to delete this account. If you want to keep it, you have until August 19, 2021 to let us know. Otherwise, all your posts and information will be deleted forever. So you want to keep the account or you just back to login. Let's keep this account. I need it now. I changed my mind. Here it is. My account is back. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you have any other questions, and just write me comment on a comment area and let me know. God bless you and see you on the next video tutorial.